Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize upsell with Zipify One on Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize upsell with Zipify One on Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the apps section on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Zipify One to find the application. Click on the Zipify One app from the search results. Once the app opens, look for the settings icon located on the bottom left corner. Click on the settings icon to enter the configuration page. Find the integrations tab within the settings menu. Click on the integrations tab to view available options. Locate the authorize upsell section on the integrations page. Click on the authorize button next to the upsell option. You will be prompted to log in to your Zipify account. Enter your Zipify credentials and click Login. After successful login, return to the Shopify dashboard. Refresh the page to ensure the authorization is up to date. Once refreshed, navigate back to the Zipify One app. Check that upsell features are now enabled in the app. You can proceed to set up your upsell items as desired. Review the documentation provided by Zipify for further customization options. Test your upsell setup by viewing a product page in your store. Make sure to check that upsell offers are displaying correctly. Your upsell with Zipify One on Shopify is now fully authorized and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.